Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Theme Hunk. I am Anurag, and I will show you the new update of the WordPress, that is Playground. Playground is introduced by WordPress for the testing purpose. If you want to test a block, a theme, or a plugin without localhost or on your site, then this is for you. Even you can build a full site on the Playground and then export it. Let's get started. To go to the Playground, enter this address. This is the page. Here you can see the features of the WordPress Playground. Now click here to go to the WordPress website. This is our site. In this update, WordPress has introduced an amazing feature that will help to install any theme or plugin available on WordPress. For this, we'll need the slug of the theme. Let's see the theme block line. This slug will we need. You can copy it too. Now go to the site. Go to the address bar. Put a question mark, as we are adding a theme, so write theme equals slug of the theme. It may take some time to install the theme. The theme is installed and activated automatically. Let's try another website. We will try 2023 theme, this is the slug. Now go to the site, and enter the slug as we did earlier. Again, the theme is installed and activated. But a question may arise in your mind, what if the theme is not on WordPress? Then we will have to upload the zip file of the theme. Let's see how is this done. Go to the dashboard first. Navigate to themes. Now upload the theme. This is the way you can upload a theme that is not on WordPress. The theme is uploaded now. Let's check the site now. This is our uploaded site. Now let's see how we can customize the site and export it then. Click on Edit Site. Now click on Styles. Here are lots of options that are here to help to personalize your site. You can browse styles, and change the typography, colors, and layout. You can change every element separately here. After customizing the site, don't forget to save the changes. Now, if you want to export this custom site, then go to these three dots. Go a little down, and click on Export. The site has been exported. Now let's see installing a plugin. We will install the lead form builder. Let's see its slug first. This is the slug. Remember that after refresh all previous changes will reset. So, if you want to install a plugin but you want this theme also, then you will have to write the slug of both the theme and plugin in the address bar. Also, write the and sign in between each slug. Also, consider writing the exact slug as written on the site. The installation process is completed and the theme is installed. Let's see the plugin also. We need to head to the dashboard for that. This is our plugin. If you want to install multiple plugins, then you can do so. Let's take another plugin. This is its slug. Enter all the slugs in the address bar. We have entered 3 different slugs. All of them are installed. Here you can see Jetpack and Lead Form Builder are installed on your dashboard. So that is the WordPress new update. It is cool and a unique feature that allows you to have a website experience without having one. You can store the data in the browser or device. But, if you are not storing the data, then it will be lost after refreshing the page. Here we can create a full site and after testing export and deploy it. That's it for this video guys. You can like the video if it helps you and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.